we're going to draw this drawing, and it is going to be some ellipses and some polylines. So what is it going to look like? Well, that's what it's going to look like, or something like that. So what I have right now is I've set up my drawing. These are my limits, and these are just some guidelines that I'm going to use to help me draw this. I'm going to take a look at my O-snaps, and I did that by holding down the Shift key and using the right pick button on my mouse. I'm going to go to O-snap settings. I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to go to midpoint, perpendicular, and intersection right now. So I'm going to say OK. So now I'm going to go do my ellipse, and I am going to, of the three types, I'm going to use center and then specify points. So there's my center. That's the intersection of my guidelines, and I'm going to just bring it up 3.5. And the other side I'm going to take it to 1.5. And then I'm going to offset. So I'm going to go over to the offset command right here. Use the offset, and it's right now it's set to 0.5, which is fine. So I'm going to select my object and do that. I'm going to draw another ellipse. I'm going to go from this intersection, and I'm going to pull it out to about, again, 3.5. And this one I'm going to bring it out to 2. So then I'm going to offset this one also. So we're going to offset 0.5, and there you go. Alright, so there are our ellipse. Now, polylines. And if we go back and look at our drawing, we have dots and circles, and those circles have thickness. That is a polyline. And the problem is you can't draw a polyline like that. You could draw an arc and get real close. But what you can draw is what's called a donut. So if I type in donut and enter, specify the interior. Now, if I want to draw a dot, I can specify that interior as 0 and then give it an outside diameter. But right now I'm going to draw the circle, so I'm going to use that as 0.5 and the outside as 0.6. And I'm going to put that right in the center. Alright, so now I can hit enter, enter again because I want to draw another donut, and I'm going to make the inside diameter 0 and the outside diameter 0.3, and that gives me a solid dot. So there's my solid dot. So now I can just copy these items. So I'm going to use the copy command. I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to go to the center, and now I can start placing them at intersections. Okay. And then I can start placing just dots. How would I get a dot? Now I can pick it, or I can do something like that. Remember, a picking window or a crossing window will grab everything that that window crosses. A selection window will only select what is completely inside the box. It will ignore all things that go outside the box. So I can just grab the dot. And then I can do it again because I want to get those other ones. Do it on the top on that one and the inside one there. And there's the drawing. So pretty simple using the donut command, and if we look at these objects and we look at their properties, we can see that it is in fact a polyline. If we look at the dot and look at properties, it is also a polyline. And it tells you that it has a global width, it has an area, it even has a length. The length is based on the outside diameter, I believe. So that's it. For now, this is our drawing. So have fun with that. Make your own. Make it your own. Play with it. Do some other stuff. And just have fun. And thank you and have a